Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to set up Google as your homepage on your Mac after this. On this channel, I do a lot of honest reviews and helpful tutorials just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any new content heading your way. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Safari, click Safari at the top, click Preferences, and then it may be set up at privacy, websites, extensions. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on general, and then over here it's going to say homepage. It may be set up default as apple.com, so change it to google.com or google.ca, wherever it is. And then right above it, it says new tabs open with favorites. Click that, select homepage. New windows open with, select that, select homepage. Alright, so once you're done that, click X and new window, and then here we have it. The same thing goes for any private browsing. If you have private browsing enabled, it'll still open up as google.com, and you can do this for any other website. Go to preference and you can select Google or any other website. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, hit that like button, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think of this tutorial. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.